Christina. Welcome or welcome back. This is Christina's Crafts and I am in my craft room all ready to go. So stick around and check out what I'm gonna make. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so I've had this idea for a while and I have not been able to get to it. So I am gonna try it out. So I have just some greenery. I believe I got this from Temu. And then I got this cute lantern from Dollar Tree that lights up. And I have one of those rings that Dollar Tree sold. It came in a 3-pack, 3 different sizes. This one's broke, but that's okay. I'm going to use that to my advantage. And then I just have a little platform and a Jenga block. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to paint this and this white. Okay, while my pedestal is drying, I picked out a drill bit that is somewhat close to that. And I am going to stick that in my drill. Okay, and then I am going to drill, hopefully very carefully and not drill into my hand. You know what, I'm just going to use this paper. I don't want to wreck my silicone mat either. I'm going to try to drill into the end of this tumbling tower block. I want to go in a little ways because what I want to do is I want to glue this into the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and drill out my holes, and I might have to make it just a tad bit bigger, but I'll see. Okay, I have my holes drilled. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick a little bit of hot glue in there. The wire actually stays pretty good even without the hot glue, but just a little bit extra protection in there. So now I got my stand. So that actually worked out pretty decent. All right, and then I'm going to take my base and attach this to my base. Okay, so I totally forgot that I was going to attach my lantern right onto here with this top. So I was able to squeeze this and take it off of there. So I am going to just stick this on here. And I'm probably just going to stick a little bit of hot glue to keep it in the center. Actually, you know what? I should probably try to push this on first. Would have been a lot easier if I would have remembered that before I glued it on there. Let's see if I can get that. Oh, that was pretty easy. Okay. So I'm going to try to center this the best that I can. My circle is just a tad bit crooked. The wire's a little bent. Alright, so I'm going to go about there, and I'm just going to stick some hot glue on here to keep it in place. So I'm going to wait for that to dry. This keeps moving this way. I'm thinking I'm going to try to maybe stick some hot glue around here. I wanted to put more blocks in there, but I don't know if that's going to be a lot of extra painting to do. Well, not a lot, but I guess I'm just really not in the mood to do that tonight. But I'm trying to figure out how to attach my greenery on here, and I think that I am going to just use, I have a bag of scraps, and I think I'm just going to take some of the plain twine and tie it onto here. I wish I had some twisty ties or something. Green ones would be great, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and tie a couple of these couple pieces, and then I am just going to tie it all the way up, and I'm hoping it's going to stay good. I guess we'll see once I get it all on there. Okay, I have my vines going all the way around. Looks a little janky in some spots. I think the branches are fuller in more spots than others. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of filler, I think, in here. I did only use maybe about half of that vine, so that's good. So I can use that for something else. I did try to double it up, but that was just way too much. So I have these flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking I'm going to stick those in there and fill in some of my spots here. So I'm going to pull these off of here. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to stick them in here going around. So I'm probably just going to use some hot glue. I'm going to try to cover up some of this wire in here from the hoop. And I'm just going to go around with these flowers, just kind of like this. I'm hoping I have enough. I have a couple bunches here. So I guess I might have to kind of maybe measure it out first about where I'm going to put them. But I think they're going to look really nice in there. Give it just a little bit of color. This is still kind of wobbly, but it's secured in there. So when I set it out, I'm just going to have to make sure that it's not, you know, sitting like that. But I mean, it is somewhat stable. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these out, and then I'm just going to use my hot glue gun, stick a little hot glue on there, and stick my flowers in, trying to cover up that hoop a little bit. So we'll see how it looks once I get all the way around. Okay, I have my flowers on there. It's looking pretty good, but I think it still needs a couple fillers. So I'm just going to take branches from this plant and stick them in there going around. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue on there and stick them in just to fill it up just a little bit more. I'm just not 100% liking the way that it's looking right now. So I'm just going to kind of fill it in a little bit more. You know, if you want to make this craft, you can pick any flowers you want, use any lantern you want. I mean, really make it your own. Just trying to give you a little idea of something that you can make. Okay, that's it. It is all finished. I think it turned out pretty cute. It's a little different than I was thinking in my head, but I kind of like it. Honestly, I mean, if you could afford it to make this, to put it on wedding tables, that would be really cute. But yeah, that's it. I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I would be super happy if you liked the video and shared it and subscribed to my channel. And take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.